Hello, this is Cheryl from LandPack. Today I'm going to show you how to put the roll film on the up paper flow pack machine, and during this process what problem you will meet. Okay, now let's go. We need to put this part out and put the roll film on. Then put it back. And move it a little bit tight, and then start to put the film on this roll. Let it go through the back former. We need to move this back upper. We need to lose this wheels. Turn it to left to lose it. And while this film over this wheels, we can turn it to right to lock it. And now we can turn this part, move this handle to lock it, to press the film, to make it tight. Now we can run the machine. You need to use our hands to hold it a little bit to pull this film. And now we can run the machine a little bit. And at the same way, we need to put this film into this wheel. After we put the film in it, we can lock this part. Put it to right side and lock it. And we can move this plate down to see the structure inside. That will help us better to testing the film. Now we can see the middle ceiling part. And we can put your product on the tail frame to adjust this two part. And while you fix your product, we can lock this screw to make it tight. Then we can try to adjust the back former through this button. After that, we can start to run the machine again to test the back effect. Okay, so while we're running this machine, sometimes we will find this film maybe will go up in this part, and now we can lose this screw. To move it to the right side, to lose it a little bit, to let it has a little gap here, to let the film can go through it smoothly. To the right side. And now we can move this part. To help the film to go smoothly, you can adjust it by yourself. And sometimes we can move this part to adjust this roll. If you have any problems during this time, feel free to contact LandPack. We will always provide you the best solution.